I am Ezekiel W. Bryant, Provost of the North Campus, Florida Junior College at Jacksonville. It is indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you to this segment of Know Your College, which features the North Campus. This beautiful campus is located on a picturesque 160-acre wooded site at 4501 Capper Road. The campus was opened in August 1970 and is now in its 11th year of operation. A second phase of the campus was completed in January 1979 and is identified as the C Building. Shown here is the elegant and graceful lobby, which is the focal point of the C Building and the entrance to a 308-seat general-purpose auditorium. This lovely botanical garden is the centerpiece of the entire campus. It is a favorite place around which students study, lunch, and relax between classes. Among special services provided by students is the TTY telephone, which enables the hearing impaired or deaf students of Jacksonville and Nassau County to communicate with campus personnel. Located also at the North Campus, but serving the entire college, is the mainstreaming center for the handicapped. Its purpose is to help handicapped students develop self-help skills to arrange for special services such as readers, note takers, tutors, and special equipment to accommodate their needs. The Foreign Student Intake Center is also located at this campus. Located at North Campus is one of the finest track facilities to be found anywhere in the entire Southeast. This 400-meter rubber turf surface track will ensure that Coach Larry Motts and his teams will continue in their winning traditions. The baseball team under Coach Howard Roy has an excellent facility and is one of the best community college baseball teams in the nation. Many of FJC's players have gone into professional baseball or received scholarships to some of the senior college teams around the country. All health-related programs at the college are offered only at the North Campus. Better patient care is the primary goal of FJC's health-related programs. There is excellent cooperation and articulation with the hospital and medical community. FJC is the primary source for the education of medical support personnel in Northeast Florida. Health technology programs offer a 2-year associate degree program and a 1-year or less certificate program. In the nursing program, 3 classes are admitted yearly. Associate degree nursing graduates are eligible to take the state board examination to become registered nurses. The dental hygiene program teaches students to provide preventative dental care. The dental hygienist takes x-rays, cleans teeth, and educates patients in proper care of teeth and gums. There's also a 1-year dental assistant program which offers excellent employment opportunities to graduates. The med lab technologist's primary function is to identify the source of disease and report these findings to the physician. FJC's MLT students are exposed to clinical experiences in community hospitals and laboratories throughout Jacksonville. Another exciting health-related program is emergency medical technology. It trains EMTs and paramedics to work in emergency departments, clinics, and emergency rescue vehicles. One of the fastest growing technical health professions is respiratory therapy. It is designed to teach therapeutic procedures to aid patients with breathing problems. Data processing, another important program offered at that campus. There are 3 sub-programs in this area. One, the Associate in Science with emphasis in data processing. Secondly, a certificate in computer operations and a certificate in computer programs. The PLATO computer-assisted instructional system is also available for student use. The Child Care Service program of the college is located at North Campus and offers a 2-year Associate in Science degree in Child Care, a 1-year certificate in Child Care Services, or a 1-year certificate in Residential Child Care Services. These students work with young children at child care centers, private kindergartens, public school kindergartens as teacher aides, and in a variety of other service-oriented programs for children. They are trained to bring out the best in each child and to help each one have a good start on becoming a well-rounded person. This is the Printing Graphic Arts Department. The 2-year program in this area is designed to provide the student with a working knowledge of each of 6 major areas of the printing industry, and then to develop in the student occupational skills in one area or process in which the student demonstrates aptitude and interest. The 6 areas are hand and machine composition form makeup, letter press operation form lockup, cold setting and paste up, camera operation and film processing, negative stripping and offset plate making, offset press operations, and related binary functions. These are the 6 major areas within the Printing Graphic Arts Department. The instructor of this program is Professor Leo DeGorsi. He has had many outstanding graduates over the years, and there are ample opportunities, job opportunities in this area. The air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating program is a rapidly expanding industry. It has special relevance in today's energy crisis. The North Campus has a 1-year certificate program which teaches the theory of air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating, as well as hands-on experience in the lab. Our students are employed throughout the Jacksonville area. The North Campus has one of the finest welding programs in the South. This 1-year certificate program teaches oxyline, torch, and electric welding on all positions. This program also teaches the students proper methods of preparing the metal to receive the weld and clean up the weld for marketing. Our students have become certified welders and are sought out by industry throughout the South. And now, as we prepare to leave the North Campus, after a cursory examination of the campus and some of its programs, we must pause to acknowledge the excellent work performed daily by resourceful, dedicated teachers and staff. They are committed to providing every opportunity possible for students to enter the institution, establish and achieve goals, and then depart to serve the community. North Campus is a place where students are encouraged to grow culturally and occupationally until they realize their full potential. Well, there you have seen a 10-minute tour of the North Campus, a 10-minute tour of a very, very complex and comprehensive instructional program. The North Campus was opened in August of 1970. We are now entering into our 11th year of operation, while the institution, Florida Junior College, is opening or entering into its 15th year of operation. Florida Junior College is one of the finest, one of the most outstanding community colleges in the United States, we believe. And we feel that it is our responsibility to be constantly attuned to the needs and responsive to the needs of the Jacksonville community. The North Campus has a unique role in carrying out and ensuring that the total mission and philosophy of Florida Junior College is executed. The uniqueness of our role is the fact that we have responsibility for all of the health-related programs. We have the responsibility for all of the computer science data processing programs. We have the responsibility for the child care programs. We have the responsibility for providing for the institution a certain degree of leadership in the area of handicap services. Housed on that campus is the mainstreaming center. We have the mainstreaming center. We have also the iLab program, which is housed presently at the downtown campus, but which is an integral part of the programming for the handicap for FJC. We have offered driver education for the handicap in the past, and we are currently launching a very exciting new program for the handicap. It's called the Handicap Youth Employment Project. And this project is a very important one because it is a demonstration project for the Department of Labor. Congress has been concerned for some time that occupational employment opportunities for a large segment of the handicapped community has not been available. And it has wanted to generate some new types of legislation which would promote that kind of capability. They authorized the Labor Department to seek out some proposals as to how this could be accomplished. And Florida Junior College at Jacksonville is participating, submitted a proposal, and we are currently working with 40 handicapped students in a special project. 40 handicapped students, some are visually impaired, some are hearing impaired, some are orthopedically impaired, some have learning disabilities. But it is our intention to work with the faculty, to work with the parents, to work with the employment community, to find new strategies, to design and to develop and to explore new strategies and new ways to afford these individuals an opportunity to gain employment. And that is a project that you are going to hear more and more about in days to come. We are looking for job opportunities, for job slots for these 40 people. So if there are any persons in the viewing audience who would like to assist the college with this project, please call the North Campus Mainstreaming Center, and we will appreciate it very much. Our faculty, our staff, our administrators are all sincere, very sincere in their desire to assure that every student, regardless of age, regardless of handicap, if every student who comes to the North Campus will have every opportunity to explore and to realize their full potential. Thank you for visiting with us at the North Campus in this segment of Know Your College.